Maka Elfia, Yenin come, oh, so Swedian and can normally no pass a ba, yet 10 come our muscle penny will try to do how so my do answer from the app. How you come as if any fin maba, mail first when I feel when we're ending comment on a fermentum control. So Adam Watara, one of your former player Kumasi sensationally came facer, ever Ghanaian football, so according with Brave Minister of Youth and Sports, where you're Juma our home, they say, oh, our dear friends, a wonder sports solution. 1 year penny power, yes, you are down, or Apple be a concan, you know, opinion didn't come out. Oh, so. Good morning.
Good morning.
Majidi say apumboko.
Oboko.
Edenya miasi. Fini ya fioni hu onso ache ete wo kan so ache. Anopa ye wo ha naija. Producer signal say o fa se hanti wa fro so aso ni bedi nkomo kakra. Adam Watara what free system no match kakra u freaking face up. Minim someone amodi kin face ba Ghana Premier League no for the first time. Amama fu hu kakra say be ya obehu ni peni ni di nkomo anopa yi.
Oh, Adam Watara ni enye din kesi biya be din a obo Ghana kase Ghana footballer ebi mu din eda so be ebi mu so ne ejuma no e ma omu din da din.
Okay.
Ghana football Ghana football in sema it goes back to the 90s na NBA branch ya go that time na Kate Randy Yampobakra mu nyina Sandy Dara nyina be ni yebe Saturday be prior to that na ma be school we Kumasi akọ West Coast ya Jimmy 3 times.
Wow.
All back to back. Sell up to that some more Baba Sule said Chuesi and Osebu Sulinka and others. Anyway,
that's a Kumasi the winning Kumasi pa. What was good winning Kumasi pa?
Kumasi you pa.
Me saw some pay because what party had on to turn us a large guruza. Maybe a hard routine. Heavy one of us.
Yes,
Adam yenin command no pay yan share kakra from Ghana football na iwia ne yaba ya to aba yenim say normalization by anas expose any other the phone e be born normalization nyame adom last year some October ne kokoto aba eyi keto kreko esi where Ghana FA president wanya kwanya menim say last year na ufree abrochi ba Ghana wa monitor Ghanaian football ne kakra ket administration so far it is saying
asesi ano unim say yembiye critics and a objective critics and this is a customer and can see also.
Okay.
Umbrella ye demand say want me you say and assessing.
Okay.
But want me can say why you perfect. Never say ni pastor dia ebia a learning progress omusua omuye djuma omuhwe mo na nema enye wo kache bi musutia oyo bi amenu so utia asem na djuma no so din say wo ya nipa omu wechi no so omu boa ne ye be dodo na unya omu a omu beka no krachiro de oka no krachiro no pel de no krani ye yakra pa wo so tie fi omu kan say development na to be honest with you no I'm still observing and I'm not yet impressed because I want to be there with him.
Okay.
Since I was even asked personally. I was asked that question maybe last year starting league before we start league say mo per se why be in the same FA league no can say come and ball league.
Oh, okay.
And I know what the reason why the chill be some make me aken the reason why me see me in ball league. If we say we be sit down unko enko si soro ho ansa na why foundation.
Okay.
And na foundation so and so embalm to say adia a free baby ba e was say conceive which is there was some uma adia I say adia nyakopon yi ama adia I mean freedom omo free conceiving dey or say conceive na ugidi which is belief.
Yes.
Na ugidi na ene na your faith be yan do na the faith call only religion.
Okay.
Be ya bibia wa abrabom na ugidi a
ugidi say adia smesu
adia be ye ebe ye nso no nti no ugi sa ade ne di a ene be yi na ogi no di se obeye adwuma no be adwuma ye nso no enye ndamfo ko an na di adwuma ene nyi untu adamfo so ntwene because enye da boye se enkyere se woni adamfo ntimi nye adwuma wodi adamfo be ma ye adwuma ba wo ye ubeyi omo ye adwuma bia for kwai na be fa so yi omo bia nye the same na o clear o conscious.
Well, I said it was because you were and Kofobra or Mokasa and some say if you fire point to my friends and cronies. Who said that view, Anna?
Oh, me do Yoka crass, Madame Fupa, you say a minute in your 10 be cry, meaning look at your friend in the M4 be paying a larger woman's. It has a corroborate, and then you say, and so what, or TME.
Okay.
A very yes, say, because of me to say, besides, say, no cast, it is all cast, and better me repeat, but some person me tea. But me no ntimi nim kim kan dan for be ma ti se nkrofo eka na dudu na so no e wo se o make sure say we need the obia so
okay
because abrabo mu nipa bebre ba say omo ba be enrich on and sika so most people believe say sika ni say wa be fa de wo ho be yen be believe say sika o create o generate ni say te de odua ebro nti no saasem na omo ka no say ade a wo ya mepa na achew wo saa mo kwan so even though me one number me need to be din common WhatsApp ni we me pese ni say on hwe ye because ni di na eda so
okay ko ya on e bebo na ba so ko ye so a on one
because say obi aka so wo bi tie wo original FA
yeah Accra
Accra madam wo ni di wo ni pa bebre wo ma ye tie obi e ka sponsorship na nipa bebre ade a me hu Ghana say omo ka sponsorship a omo fi say onye ka say wonni dey the sponsorship na mo because on look see ana oye see sponsor bi ni oba be mo sponsor odi ba be chew o person who say die be no betumi nye free the oya ma ono na the oya ba ono so na o hwe di o hwe say on hwe ni say o chi do be ya ma obenya o chi no o hwe ni say be 10 years grace period so die be no betumi nya e was scale o hwe na nya feasible a onye
okay
nti GFN sem na ye ka kon Ghana football ye de be mimi so just ana e ma me ka say o nka any so almost starting like mimi pretend say see Ghana footballers nko any Ghana ye free say league didn't say premier new age because of class nene on ball no league ever foundation your policy and a regulation and the guidelines just like every constitution who can Galka for because omuobi there's some muobia we call Galka for out on this thing and it GF muobia then a player if you player less than 1,000 cities in Ghana you want the league to be the league that we should mention. There should be a clause that no club should pay no player less than 1,000 Ghana.
There's a minimum should be 1,000 Ghana.
Now, and no player, and every player should have a full insurance covered. And you don't need money to get those things. So that sponsorship, you can negotiate in getting. If I'm an insurance company, if I'm giving insurance to all these people, every month is how much? Maybe 20 Ghana cedis. Not premium, life insurance or health insurance. That's a year, every month, that is 120 Ghana cedis a year I'm giving to insurance company. Now, insurance company who says, can I make my for going for advert and commercial because we are media man. When you say advert and commercial, what it costs? It costs you billions.
Yes.
So if an insurance company is forgoing that to get himself in all the league and all the media, do you think he wouldn't do it?
He will.
That we always look at it a different way, thinking we have to go. Let's say, Puma contract. The only thing they do for us is to give us jerseys
for the national team.
We are advertising. That's no contract, and the reason is that you don't get the right people to see it when contract negotiations come. Not to go in politics. It happened in our government. Because here, other country, no more a contractor. My sister ministers, me professors, when people who are versed in the contract, when people share Obama, when you turn 15 minutes, I'm not sorry. Not of the Omoma being our economics, no matter someone no matter contract, we say no, we need to know say
a very nice one. We also say a lot of ideas and an pay who share at the Ghana football. Say the Okasa Banket, and I will say these are things you be here, you pay to some more Ghanaian football, and say, so let's open up now for your advising a minimum function because a lot of policies any here also say formality. Now, Abuama Ghanaian sports, they are queer him. A brand say any or other sectors. My from free if in room or club football and kasa Kumasi na wabantia ya mwaka kutoka asimano pay and sawako. Yes, I know say what na buchi mo because one of the biggest brand that work Ghanaian football mu anya kutoka ya House of Folk Kumasi ntinembe so ka kutoka mwasem kutoka diwa buchi ono what na buchi mo etisen ho
ye kan kutoka nsema mostly ni mikra yembi yebisa say edie be nkra na ye friend kutoka na dudu na afi so munnim kutoka because bia muti kutoka fi Kumasi obi bisa say die ben na ye kotokwa obi ka che say a club bia soccer club bia wo Ghana the yembi no obi say die ben na ye kotokwa a show question is a question ni di e free say kotoko adia o kan ho asema e won some problems and problems and opportunities Ntino unye who say problem who understanding who say problems no opportunity why who say yes, then you have a mission to cause. To see a situation be echo kotokomu abesim then necessary opportunity a creative and nyame adom asante hene edi ama board ya ye djuma ma ye di edimu esiso
nti bo amesisi a problems ben and a buy and opportunities ben so na because when me say one kasa wunu ya kuma na never pause na say ya di see you adwuma dey asane so problems na ye dey and opportunity ne so ben
problem is say kotoko esiso ache sisi a wo kai kwa say ye club of the century.
Yes.
What's the approach now to be no cause club of the African club of the century. Google whether you can get me Kotoko's website.
That is true.
That is the biggest shame. Okay. Say madam for Brunei, me person me ton Kotoko mano. Say ombe supply Kotoko uniform ni Kotoko. Ultimate ni Kotoko kampo on net.
Okay.
There's something that ordinary companies pay. And na uko emusa, we should say ye jai. Ube ye bibi a wonsa udi share ase. And you bibi a offer fruits we one of them. They were legend ye jai the like of Osei Kofi. Sunday Ibrahim, Malik Jabel, Abdul, ye jai omwesio. And a side no cramp even though Kotoko affect Ghana football.
Yeah, ye general idea.
They need a kuwa ye say. Ball, ball with it. You see Sunday Ibrahim, the Ukogolo African footballer, and one football, Sunday Ibrahim will be here. Obehuna award for no. Nti utini dinner so obehun se Ghana. And I saw Osei Kofi. Utiti na obehun Ghana na ohwa he is who. Be quick catch him assembly ma ya fabulous be quick catch him assembly. Omu tu kwan ko Egypt. Ghana for tu ko Egypt. Kotoko kampo ko Egypt sometime. Obi na down for a player owo ho no metro. Oye senior official of Egypt football. No no Bobby Sands. Who are we a hero? Makotoko na Kotoko. Unni Kotoko bibiamu Vincent Amo.
Wow.
Until recently, we say I'm an ambassador. You can't miss it. But the thing in you say problems now you wanna. It was second sweet idea and that phone and yes I want to. Maybe a Kotoko if you say you will scan it or Nana will scan. Ne akodi. Regina TV so cast one day say need to put a man for brebe friend beside me as some Kotoko. Say Nana efa Regina Kotoko in my penny 6 million or the man that's on kita. If you say I can raise $1 billion for Kotoko in a year.
What?
$1 billion and I'm 1B and I know that.
You can raise $1 billion in a single year
for Kotoko. Because Kotoko is money and it's not good. The money is not going to come from abroad.
Tell me how.
The money is sitting in.
Tell me how.
I'm going to tell you how.
Okay, I want to listen.
Yeah. So see, if you look at Kotoko, let me give you an example of what our team is.
Okay.
If you look at Kotoko has at most, well globally 20 million people.
Okay.
At least 10 million people.
Okay.
If you take 1% of the 10 million people,
okay,
it will be 1 million.
Yeah.
Right? 1 million in there. Yeah, me they call easiest way amount. Who can say who register
by microphone man kaka na Kotoko for so muti we.
Who can say who can say me ma creating them be a make one assemble.
Okay.
Because your database I create by any employee for say kasa ansa ne hu say be ye hu adwuma na. Because say and then phone code database no so no register for Kotoko at 10 cedis per a member. That is ordinary member, gold member, platinum member. In a series obia won figure. Let's consider say 10 million obia register ordinary member. 10 cedis no that's almost $2.
Wow.
$2 no times 1 million $20 million. Right? Right there. And you don't need a magic sense. So Kotoko, is it not money our resistance?
Money. Also, me say explanation that's logically a simple thing you can just even within a twinkle of an eye you can create it.
Because registration is motivation which Ghana don't normally do.
Okay.
Which I even told the FA about. So see, I said, register say registration now over 1 million ticket for. Would this say I register we are at the end of the year? No, you bet 2 ballots for that registration. You can win a house.
Okay.
How much does a house cost? Is it not $100,000? Okay. So if you have 20 million and you take $100,000 to buy a house for a gift, let's say when you say this, people who are not Kotoko will even register to be members of Kotoko.
Wow.
So multiply it by the 10 million and other things. There is one thing that people don't say about raising money. There is a procedure you have to follow. So who follow procedure now? I bet you can fail.
Okay.
Because another no raising money. Because
you are an individual.
No, because me nya kotoko.
Yes, when you
kotoko. And I'm going kotoko no. You I don't me catch you because look at Manchester when form compare kotoko. Yena yama kotoko ayefun.
Okay.
Kotoko is like Barca. Oh city. Oh empire. You know, and no ema make us. I no aside that me can say me design kotoko art no. Me benya kotoko mobile barber salon.
Kotoko Mobile Barber Salon.
Yeah, mobile salon. That's the name. Fabulous Mobile Salon. Real estate. I repeat it. I mean, you know, any brown person, me, I'll put it there. If you do it, you will fail because you know the one who writes it. There were principles we say, he who writes rules.
You're not trying to
because over Kenya, over Shishima, over Udua, Nipa not on my say,
so let me ask you this. The worker in say, and the Koroko for a margins or tapu idea, they want you on board, not maybe necessarily say official member, but they want to bring you on board now. They want to tap your ideas. Are you ready to open up?
I say I'm a club. Every time I don't normally like coming out. I was in the middle of Kotoko.
Okay.
But the most important thing is I was just a Kotoko supporter. Parking person, and I was always giving them ideas. But the most important thing on question I would be saying, I'm very open. And any pana is no. Also, what ideas or the aba. And then most of them I didn't know. No, Reverend was a coffee frame. He said, "Oh, really, Nana yao friend, na mini ni kasai. Mitie ni kasa na mini ni kasai." I'm going to say, "Idea na, miti se waka na mu ubia, ubetumi nini aso monsa." Drew baby also on the corner. Reverend catcher me now. Coach Sanders will be also Kotoko dear. Yes, a problem, but then we say one day we'll meet it's you and we'll see the just say idea. Veggie and I will perform. And then we open medium you're open for we say send me catch us a database, my developing database now you developing. Database near developing the da your friend one stop Fabulous shop.
Fabulous shop.
Over to me, I understand we can change the name. Over to me, I deal with my launching is a Siama Kotaka. Over Marcosako register Kotoko. Over so to few or Ghana or Bridge over Marcosako. Can be our talk at the baby Bia or so Kotokonyeska. Usunyeska also need discounts or registered member. When you register member, put Marco Tigers, but when you discount.